Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fina with Uptown 101, and I'm at the Hanover Preston Hollow, and I'm gonna do a detailed walkthrough of their 2-bedroom model. So this is the hallway. This is very recently built. It's very pretty. And now let's walk in. It is a keyless entry, by the way. So let's walk in and take a look at it. Very attractive. Wow, love the look and feel. And man, you're gonna love how much room is in here. Look at this. Huge. It's just like having a home. It really, really is, except for you're not taking care of the home. Hanover is. Ha! This is what it looks like. I'm just giving you a quick walkthrough. It just feels so open. You can have a lot of people in here and really enjoy a fun life with carefree maintenance here at this 2-bedroom at the Hanover. Let's look at the kitchen just briefly. Beautiful kitchen with gas and gorgeous exhaust system, lovely backsplash, beautiful touches of light, lots of storage for what you want to cook with. It's got this beautiful huge island too. The island is very big, and you can fit, just like it has here, the 4 chairs, and just that could be what you use most of the time for your dining. But it's got such space, such an amount of space, that you have this beautiful table you could also include easily, so you'd have seating for quite a few people. You do have a really nice living room area here too, and then let's not forget the built-in bar area that's here as well. So you've got a wine fridge, built-in bar area. It's just a beautiful area to enjoy life with here. You do have a washer dryer in here, you full utility room, and then of course you do have a beautiful balcony as well. The balcony is very nice. It's going to give you some great views of the city. In this case, it's the 7th floor, so it's going to look like this. Wow, huge. This is probably 20 something feet, and it gives you incredible views of the city in this beautiful Preston Hollow area. Very, very nice. Gorgeous, sumptuous, just spacious. You're gonna love it here at the Hanover Preston Hollow. This is part 1 of the walkthrough. I'm about to do a part 2. I'm gonna go in those bedrooms and see those. Stick around for that, you're gonna love it. If you have any questions, send me a text, or if you wanna set up an immediate Zoom tour or live in-person tour, send me a text as well. It's 100% free.